Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the design and importing your audio. This gets you into the editor immediately. Drag the audio onto the timeline so you can see waveforms. Make sure you zoom in for precise placement. Once done, import any background images or clips and place them on the canvas layer under the audio. You want clear visual anchors where text will appear, because aligning text to audio beats makes the message easier to read and follow. Now add text boxes for each phrase. Label them so you don't get lost. Type concise captions, then position boxes on screen where they won't cover important visuals. Next, split the audio into segments at natural pauses and set each segment's start and end to match the corresponding text. Use Canva's timing panel to set exact durations and add simple text animations. This helps readability, and it guides the viewer's eyes in sync with the voiceover. Finish by watching the whole piece and making small timing adjustments. Shift text by 1/10 to 1/2 second when needed so it matches syllables. Make sure text color contrasts with the background and add a semi-opaque box behind text for legibility. This also helps viewers on mobile. Once satisfied, export as MP4 to preserve audio and captions. If things go wrong, check that audio is not muted and that timelines aren't overlapping. Re-import audio if corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.